Quick disclaimer, today's video was filmed before wearing a face covering on the trails was the norm. Things are changing so quickly right now. So if you're hiking on the City of Boulder trails, please check this link before your hike for up-to-date guidelines and regulations on the trails. Or if you're elsewhere, check that homepage of your local land management agency. Disclaimer complete. Such a bummer not to be able to see your friends, right? I've been looking for some creative ways to connect with my pals, and so today I'm heading out on the trails to make a nature art sculpture for my good friend Chester P. Curlicue and a treasure map to help him find it. Come on, let's go. Ooh, ah, ah, ooh, ah, I'm hiking, ooh, ah, ah, ooh, ah, I'm hiking. Ooh, ah, ah, I'm hiking just a little more. Ooh, ah, ah, I'm hiking just a little more. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah, I'm here. And now it's time to build my friend a little nature art sculpture that he can find later.
Hey, it's me, Chester P. Curlicue. I really been missing my friend Jeff, and what do you know? The fella sent me a map to a nature treasure art sculpture. Let's go find it. Ooh, I'm hiking. The map says this is where I turn right. Let's go. I'm hiking. I think I'm getting close. Could it be? Oh my goodness. This must be it. I was really missing my buddy, but now that I see what he left for me, our friendship is even deeper. I feel like dancing.
That was fun. There's lots of non-screen ways that we can continue to stay connected with the people we care about during these times, and you don't need a beautiful mountain forest to do them all. Make a treasure map in your neighborhood, leave some chalk art where they're sure to find it, send them a letter. Here's to you getting creative to stay connected to the people you love. What will you do? Sanitize. See you tomorrow.